Today, I'm showing you how to earn stable and transparent yield using Stablecoin Earn Plus on Bitget Wallet. Stablecoin Earn Plus is a straightforward earning product that lets you earn yield on stablecoins like USDT or USDC. No confusing steps, no lock-ins. You get a fixed yield rate, transparent performance, and strong asset safety. Your funds remain in your control at all times. To start earning, open Bitget Wallet, tap Earn, choose Stablecoin Earn Plus, pick your stablecoin, enter your amount, and tap Subscribe. It's quick, and you can begin with any amount that works for you. Once subscribed, your earnings start updating every single day in real time. You can see your total yield, daily profit, and overall performance directly on your dashboard. And whenever you want your funds back, just tap Redeem. No lock-in, no limits, and your yield stops only when you unplug. Start earning smarter with Stablecoin Earn Plus. Bitget Wallet, crypto for everyone.